Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I was fortunate enough to marry a very handsome handyman. And one of his favorite tools is this multi-tool from ROCKTOL. This multi-tool has so many features, it's going to be impossible for me to tell them all. But I'm going to tell you the things that we liked best about it. My husband's favorite features was that it fit nicely on his belt loop of just a regular size belt. He loved the wire cutters at the base of the pliers that comes with replacement parts to keep it sharp. It has an extra sharp knife, which is so nice. It has a file that can quickly be changed into saw blades. That was the coolest feature that I saw on there too. I love that you just have spare saw blades and you can change them out very quickly and easily. It also has multiple driver tips and a ball bearing to secure them all into the tool. It's nice and secure holder, and the tips are very nice also. It's got a sturdy lock mechanism for all of the tools for safety. I definitely love how compact everything is. My husband and my son are very into survival things, so this came in handy. They like to fish, they like to fix things, and this multi-tool does everything that they need when they go fishing. It would also be great for camping and just in your survival gear. It would also be great just to have in your car in case you need it. I want to mention again how easy it is to use. He is very handy, but I am not, and our son is only 11. So my son loves it, and he can use it very easily, and so can I, just with little projects around the house. So it's very handy to have. I recommend having 2 or 3 of them, actually. I want to mention again the safety features. I'm very thankful for them. Our son is only 11. He's just getting into all this stuff, and I love that he can play with it safely. So this is so handy to have around. He uses it a lot. I use it a lot. It's so easy and it has so many different functions. It's perfect to have around the house. But that's just my point of view.